actually opening manage back messages maths thing. I can show you. Ma'am, like what, ma'am? Like what time do you teach her? Like was it today? Class was today with
Yes,
her.
today was, yes, just before you,
Ma'am,
before
oh
your class.
yeah. Oh, I saw someone named Priya. Like I had joined 3 times before this, 2 times actually, because I thought my time was 5:15.
Yes,
Yeah, I saw someone Priya that time.
yeah,
Was it her?
yeah, Priya Dubey.
Yeah, Priya Dubey. I just saw Priya and I left.
Yeah. Chalo, can we start the
Yeah,
channel?
ma'am. Chapter 7, exercise 1. I'll just check if
I
ma'am
have,
has uploaded it.
I have the PDF. Don't worry, I'm
Oh, okay,
opening that
okay.
because just now only we solved, na? Can you see?
Ma'am, today was such a big problem. Our
Why?
whole full thing got agal bagal. Like, क्योंकि ma'am that I have continuous classes and plus today like now we have our assembly and I am like kind of leading it the whole class.
Hmm.
So our time was fixed of 7, but the class was at different time
Hmm.
because I thought it would be 5:15 to 6:30.
Chalo, now
Yes,
concentrate
ma'am.
on your sums. Can you see the whiteboard? Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
I've shared it.
Ma'am, I cannot see it. Can you reshare?
Okay, sharing it again. Now can you see?
No, ma'am.
Not yet?
Oh, this, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. We just started it today. This thing.
So now, what is the first number? 3 multiplied by 0.1.
So it will
Okay?
be 0.3. Ma'am,
Why?
actually, wait. I'll just start writing the. Oh no, 1 second, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. It will because whenever we multiply with 0.1, we'll have to divide by 10. The answer
10.
would be the same.
Okay? The answer would be
Yes, ma'am.
same
One
what you're telling.
second. I'm writing the
See,
answers also to this right now only.
huh. See, first look at this. Can you see my screen?
Chapter 7,
Whiteboard?
exercise 1.
But can you see the whiteboard? Jenna,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the question? 3 multiplied by 0.1. So what does this mean? 3 multiplied by 0.1 means what? You are writing as 1 upon 10. So when you do this, this is 3 upon 10. So what is your answer? 0.3. That's why 3 multiplied by 0.1 is 0.1. So you write 1
Ma'am,
upon
so
10.
I told that only, right?
But this is the correct way of understanding the concept.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. I understood
You
like that
understood?
only. In
Huh?
school also we had the
Okay.
same working. But
Okay.
then ma'am told that you will have to directly do divide division by 10.
So that but how why you should understand na that I'm
Yeah,
explaining.
ma'am. That I understood.
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है
Yes.
चलो so give me
Uh,
the second.
yeah. So the second is 3. 3. No, no, sorry, it is 1. No, 1 second. Sorry, ma'am. It is 30.
30 because divide by 0.1 means you have to multiply by 10. So 3 tens are 30. Then next it is multiply by 0.01, so that means you have to divide by 100. So when you divide by
Ma'am,
100, what
first
is
is
answer?
0.3, right?
Yes,
Then 1B is
30.
30.
हाँ.
Now 1C. So 1C will be 0.03.
Yes. Now you write all the answers and then we'll discuss. Don't discuss now. You write all the answers in your book. What is
Ma'am,
D, C, D answer and tell me. First you
okay, ma'am.
complete and then tell me.
Ma'am, does she share with you everything? Ma'am, 1 second. Can you go 1 second behind? Do you know who is Zoya? Actually, no. Yeah. Ma'am, can you scroll down, please? Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Hello, ma'am. Are you speaking anything? Hello. Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Start solving the sum.
Ma'am, hello. I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me? Now can you hear me? Jainam. Jainam, can you
Yes,
hear
yes,
me?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now what I'm telling you, solve all this sum and then we will discuss the sums, answers. Okay? You do till I
Yeah, ma'am.
L. First
Yeah, I'll
L
do
you
till
do.
L.
And then discuss the answer and tell me the answers fatafat. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Spinach. Ma'am, done. Actually, ma'am, one second. Yes, ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, hello. Ma'am, am I on mute? No, I'm not. You are on mute, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me? Hello, ma'am. Are you there? Hello, ma'am. I cannot hear you. Ma'am, you're on mute. I cannot hear anyone or anything.
Jainam, completed Jainam.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I was asking you from so much time, ma'am. I could not hear you.
Someone were there on my door, so I was there. I thought you're doing the sum, so
Ma'am, I have reached
someone
at the
knocked my.
ma'am, I have reached at the third question. Like I'm done with
Very
third. I'm at fourth right now.
okay. With sum?
No, no, ma'am. You need the answers, right, of the first, second, and
Yes,
third.
yes,
Yeah, so
yes.
first 0.3, then 30, then 0.003, then 300, then 15.2, then 0.159, then 0.02, then 0.25, then 16,000, then 28.1, then 45. No, no, ma'am, I did one wrong actually, I think. Ma'am, did I do it wrong? No, I did not, right?
Which one you're talking?
Ma'am, what? I
What you're
told the
confused
answers
in?
till now, ma'am.
I heard.
No, no, one
But
J is right, ma'am? Like 28.1.
J.
Yeah, one J.
Divide by 0.1 means multiply by 100.
Yeah, ma'am, so I got 28.1.
So it is correct, no? What is the
Okay.
problem?
And I was a bit confused. I thought that there is only 0.01. So I
Yeah.
asked. Then 45
हाँ. Hmm.
and then 0.065.
Because it is divided by 0.1 means it
No, no,
is
no, no.
multiplied.
Sorry, it is 0.65, right?
How many zeros?
That, ma'am, 1L I'm talking.
Huh?
0.65?
Yes,
Yeah.
you're correct.
Yeah, okay.
Don't get
Yes.
confused. What you're doing, you do this accurately. Don't get panic. Do aram se.
Then 2A, 0.14. Then
Hmm.
2B, 0.0256. Then 0.0128.
0.05256. There is a zero one more.
Ma'am, what?
Zero
It
point
is
zero.
0.0. Yeah, that's what I
Ha,
wrote.
ha,
0.0256.
ha.
Then next is 0.0128.
Yes.
Then the next, one second. The next is 3.22.
Hmm.
Then 140. Then 25.6. Then 12.8. Then 3220.
0.128. What did you say for G?
1G I got 12.8.
Ah, correct.
And then the last one 3220. 3220.
Hmm. Correct. So basically you're multiplying. So when you multiply, it becomes easy for you to answer. Divide by 0.10 means multiply by 10. So just add a 0. Okay. Now can we move to the next? So that means multiplying by 0.1 is same as dividing by Jana. What is the 3A answer?
3A is 10, 3B is 10, 3C is 100, 3D is 100.
Yes.
Now I am here. So
Hmm.
I was going to write now, but then I went to actually to I was going to message that I'm not able to hear you.
Okay. Chalo. So now what? Harpal is wrong, na? So why he is wrong? Tell me that.
He converted the decimal numbers to whole numbers
Whole
and
na.
that.
Ah. So and what is the actual answer then? What will be the actual answer? They are asked you write the correct answer also. So in test also you should read the question whether they have asked you to correct the answers or just true or false. Okay. Here they have asked you write the correct answer. So when it is like this, you have to find the correct answer also. So what is the correct answer? 0.8 means it is 8 upon
So it
10.
will be, ma'am, 0.08.
Yes, because it will
So
become
ma'am,
8
what should
upon
I
100.
write? So
So,
first I'll write the error in
ha,
4A.
ha,
He converted
ha. Them into whole number, which is wrong.
which is wrong,
Hmm.
and the right answer is
But if you are
0.08.
see Jainam, what I'm telling you, if you're writing everything in this class, we will not be able to complete. We'll complete, but then we have to revise also the whole concept of this previous chapter. So better you write this after
Ma'am,
you
even
understand.
tomorrow we have.
But tomorrow there will be no class with me, na bacha.
Ma'am, I have the class with you. I
You
think,
have?
yeah. Yeah, ma'am, it's match tomorrow.
है हाँ तो ठीक
Yeah,
है
and
because
then day after tomorrow I have Spanish.
okay sure ना because
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ don't
In my timetable also it is there. Thursday match 5:15 to 6:30. And ma'am, plus I'll just check how long is this exercise. If it is small, then ma'am, it is small only. I think, yeah. It's just 6 questions, ma'am. And we are at fourth right now. And you're on mute, ma'am. Ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am.
हाँ
Ma'am, there are
sorry
only 6 questions in this exercise, so it wouldn't
हाँ
take
but that
long.
sixth question will take time because the sixth part is little difficult.
No, no, ma'am. Okay, I will do it, ma'am. It will be, yeah. Ma'am, fifth will be easy. Ma'am, how much time would it take? The class is still 8, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this will be answer is Hello, 0.08. And then the 4b. Ma'am, I did not get this. What did he do? How can I tell the mistake he has done? Ma'am, you are muted.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
I
जैनम
don't get
जैनम
how
जस्ट
to
अ
do.
सेकंड बच्चा जस्ट अ
Oh,
सेकंड
okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी अरे वो स्टूडेंट को बोल रही हूँ हाँ जैनम
Yes, ma'am. I was telling that how can I tell the mistake in this 4b question?
व्हाट इज द मिस्टेक टेल मी
Ma'am, like
सी
he did 1 upon 100 as the one whole,
no no
and that
no
is wrong. Like,
no that he has done correct
no, ma'am. In the second step, he took
हाँ
0.5 divided by 1. That is wrong.
1 upon 0.5 divided by
Yeah,
1
yeah.
नहीं है it is 1 upon 0.25 0.5 it is not divided by 1 it is 1 upon 0. So instead of writing 0.5 he wrote 1 upon 0.5 okay
So,
understood
ma'am, the answer will be that instead of writing 0.5, he wrote 1 upon
1 upon
0.5.
0. He converted a decimal to a fraction.
So I can write this, right?
हाँ
He converted a decimal to a fraction,
hmm.
which is wrong. So the right answer is right answer will be
0.5
50.
multiplied by 50.
50.
Yeah. So 0.5 multiplied by 100. So it will become 50. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second, I'm just finishing it.
You can just also write कि instead of writing 0.5 by mistake he wrote 1 upon
Ma'am,
0.5.
not by mistake.
हाँ तो by mistake के लिख दिया ना उसने
नहीं,
because
ma'am. By mistake होता तो ma'am, then why would these people print it?
say
See,
say
ma'am, he's an
0.
animated character. He's not a true person.
Yeah, what I'm telling 0.5 it is divide by what is the question? Divide by 0.01 correct? Divide by 0.01. So 0.5 divide by 1 upon 100. So this is 0.5 multiplied by 100 upon 1. It is like this. But instead of writing this 0.5 he wrote 1 upon 0.5. उसने कन्वर्ट नहीं किया दैट इज अ ह्यूमन एरर
Done
इंस्टेड
with the
ऑफ
sentence, ma'am.
हाँ but what instead of that what you must have done a mistake of multiplying this 0.5 into 1 upon 100 so that is also a mistake तो उसने क्या किया ये 1 को नीचे लेके
He
1
should not
0
have converted the to a fraction only.
हाँ
Ma'am, so I wrote
what
he converted a decimal to a
ठीक है
fraction, which is
ठीक
wrong. So the right answer is 50.
50
Now 5a.
now tell me what multiply
5a is what 0.01. Yeah,
how you
sorry,
got
0.1. Sorry, 0.1.
hmm. Now you
Then
solve till f and then tell the answer
okay. Ma'am, can you mute me? Yeah, done. Not till F.
You want me to write? Jaina?
Done with all the fifth questions, fifth answers.
Oh,
Oh,
what happened?
but it was something. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
So 5A is 0.1,
Hmm.
then 5B is 0.1,
Sure. Okay. Then
5C is 0.01, then 5D is 0.1, 5E is 0.01, and 5F is 0.0485.
0.0485. Correct.
485.
But you understood the concept and
Yes,
how it
ma'am.
came? Because divide by 0.01 means you are dividing by 1 upon 100. So dividing by 1 upon 100 means you are multiplying by 100. So what number you multiplied by 100? So you got 4.85. So multiply by 100 means you are shifting the points. So when you shift the point for 0.0485 multiply by 100, the point will be at 4.85. So your answer is 4.85. Did you understand now properly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You
ma'am.
want me to write and make you understand?
No, ma'am. I understood.
Correct. Now copy and complete. Now this you tell me.
6A,
Hmm.
6B. Ma'am, one second.
6A
I'm
will
writing.
6A will 6A and B will do together.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm just writing the numberings.
Okay.
Done.
So what is 6A?
I can. One second. I'll open the. Yeah. 6A is 4, 5.
451.
4510. 4510. Right, ma'am?
But
4510.
and multiply by 100, 0.01. It is the, so what will be coming here?
Ma'am, that is
What
why,
is,
like, to get the same answer, it will be 4510.
how but
4510, right? Ma'am, because
how
I
and what?
I added a zero because they also had actually not that. But that 451 into 0.1 will be 45.1.
Ha,
So because we'll have to remove two spaces in this, so we can just add a zero
because
to
now
get the
if you want,
same
so
answer.
if you want to get this answer, this point multiply by this is what? Multiply by 1 upon 100. Correct? So multiply by 1 upon 100 means what? Basically divide by 100. So what number you will divide by 100?
Ma'am,
So
whenever we divide by 100, we have to remove the two spaces. So that is why I added the one more zero. So to get
so this
45.1.
45.1, so the 100, the point will be here now. So what is the answer? 0.451.
What? Ma'am? Oh, okay, the final answer. I was thinking that you were telling the 6A answer.
So 6A answer is I'm telling.
No, no, ma'am. 6 answer is 4510. Ma'am, can you see the exercise once? Ma'am, I'm
I
telling
think
the
so it is multi.
underscore. I'm telling the
Acha, acha.
underscore answer, not the final real answer of the question.
Okay, wait. You tell me the question again. Because when
It,
I'm opening, I cannot open my whiteboard. Wait. A.
ma'am, you can stop your screen share actually because I have the questions open. So you can switch also your tab windows if you want.
It's okay. Tell me now. Question bolo.
So it is 451 into 0.1 is equal to dash 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 into 0.01.
Hmm.
So that is why I got 4510.
4510.
10.
But if you are doing, let me check, 4510 multiplied by 0.01, so you will get 45. 0.1. So here also you are getting 4.5. So here answer is 4510.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Correct? But you should not just think कि zero है इसलिए हमने zero add कर दिया. Don't use any random logic.
No, ma'am, that's not the logic
हाँ
which I used.
हाँ
I used that 451 into 0.1 will like be 45.1 because whenever we multiply anything by
हाँ
0.1, we have to divide by 10. So one
10.
space will
हाँ
be removed. So
हाँ.
if
So
we
this
do it
is
by
also
100, we'll
divide
have to
by
remove
100.
two spaces. So that is why I added a 0 to make it same.
So remove two spaces नहीं होता है. This is divide by 100 means what? You are putting a point. It is not removing two spaces. So putting a point means now what you are getting? 451, 45.1. And here also your answer is 45.1. Same answer you are getting. You understood? Janam, you are not understanding the concept.
Ma'am,
See,
I understood it in the
under
both the ways actually, ma'am. I
हाँ
used
ठीक
my
है.
way that, ma'am, that will work also everywhere. But this way also, ma'am, I understood.
हाँ ठीक है. Now give me the second
My
question.
language might be wrong for this actually, but
हाँ
like the terms I used for it.
हाँ हाँ. चलो.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
now
So then the next one is 560 divided by 0.1 is equal to dash divide into 100. So, ma'am, we'll have to find the answer
multiply
for
by
this.
हाँ
560 divided by 0.1 will be 5600 and 5600 will be the answer when we do
multiply by
what?
100.
5
So
lakh
it will
sixty
be
thousand into
56.
100?
No,
Oh,
56.
sorry.
Huh?
This is so straight away answer, ma'am.
It is 56. So when you multiply 56 by 100, you are
Ah,
getting 5600.
I thought they were trying to trick us or something.
So be very careful. Understand the question.
Ma'am, I thought it's 0.001.
No. 5600 is your answer. So when you multiply this thing, you should get this answer, na? Correct? Jainam understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to the third.
Ma'am, 1 second. Can you give me one
Test.
minute?
Test also don't be in a hurry to write the answer. Understand? And then think and then do carefully. Don't be in a hurry to write the answer. You have time limit. But then don't be very fast. So that afterwards you repent, अरे मैंने घाई में answer wrong दे दिया. No घाई, okay? 38 multiplied by 0.01 is what? Multiplied by 10. Now same here also. So 38 multiplied by 1 upon 100. So basically it is what? Divide by 100. So what is your answer? 0.38. So what you will multiply by 10 so that you will get 0.38. Tell me. What happened, Janam? Why are you?
Here, ma'am. Yes, I'm here, ma'am. I
What
told my
happened?
mom for a minute. Yeah, I was ma'am, doing one thing. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, tell me the answer for this now. 38 multiplied by 0.01. So it is what? 38 multiplied by 1 upon 100, or you can say 38 divided by 100. So what is your answer? 0.38. So what you will multiply by 10 so that you will get 0.38. 38. So answer is 0.38. So when you multiply, you are getting this answer. So that multiply by 10 means what? The point is shifted here. So in the question, the point must be here. So that when you multiply by 10, it is shifted here. So what is your question now?
Uh,
0.038. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Because in answer, you are getting 0.38. This is your answer.
Okay.
This 0.38 is your answer. So what
We'll have to
number
use
you...
the reverse calculation thing.
Yes, yes. So multiply by 10 means what? When you are getting an answer, this point is shifted here, na? Because multiply by 10 means what? If you have a decimal point, it shifts to right. So it has been shifted to right because this is your answer. So when it is shifted here, so that means question mein it will be this side. So therefore your answer is this question is your answer, which is 0.038. So when you multiply this by 10, you will get this point shifted here. So what it will become? 0.38. What is your answer here?
0.38.
So whenever you are writing this answer, multiply by 10 what is here written and check with your this answer. Don't be in a hurry to write the answer. You check it out first. Okay, if I multiply 0.038 multiply by 10, that means my point is shifting from this place to this place. So what is my answer now? This point is shifting here, means now my answer is 0.38. And what is here? It is 0.38. So this answer is correct. Understood, Jaina? Or you want me to explain again?
No, ma'am, I understood. Now, should I like complete this exercise?
Yes,
Like the
yes.
last 4
You
things?
have to. Yes.
Ma'am, also.
You have to complete. No
Yeah,
choice.
ma'am, that of course.
6.2 divided by 0.1 is equal to dash divided by 0.01. So here 6.2 divide by means what? Divide by 1 upon 10. So basically it is 0.2 6.2 multiply by 10. So what is your answer? 62. So this answer is 62. So what you will divide by 0.01 so that you will get 62. So divide by 0.62 means 1 upon 100. So basically what? Multiply by 100. So what you multiplied by 100 so that your answer is 62. Correct? So what you, if your, now your point is here, na? 62 is a whole number, so point is here. So if you want to multiply by 100 करने के बाद this point is shifting. So before it was 1 and 2, it was here. So 62 and the point is here. So what is your
I
answer?
understood.
0.62.
Ma'am, I understood.
Okay, great. You're smart. Chalo, so tell me the next answer.
Ma'am, 1 second,
What
I'm
is the
writing
question?
this. Ma'am, I'm writing, I'm not done with all of them.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, done. I'm done.
What is the next
Yeah,
answer?
so, ma'am, can I tell you all the 6 question answers? Like 6 of them?
Again?
Yeah, ma'am, only the 6 of them.
Then you have to tell me the question also. Otherwise, wait.
Ma'am, should I share my screen to show you the
No, I
question?
have. No, I have. Na?
Ma'am, I
Chalo,
have it
wait.
open.
I
Okay,
also
you have
opened
it
it. Can
open.
you see now?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, so the first one is 4510.
Hmm.
The next one is 56.
Hmm.
Next one is 0.038,
Hmm.
0.62,
0.62.
62.
So 0.62 if you divide by
You got
0.01,
62.
62. Okay, ठीक है.
Then
What
the
about
next
E?
one 570.
570 divide by 100 will give you 5.7.
And here also we get 5.7 only. Then the next one is 0.003. 3.
0.003 divided by 0.1. So that will give you 0.03.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the question here? 0.03. 0.03.
What? Ma'am,
is
I
your
got the
answer.
answer as
Yes, correct.
0.003.
Correct. Because
Yes,
when you
ma'am.
multiply 0.3 multiply by 0.1, you are getting 0.03. Correct. Chalo, now tell me the last.
I'm done.
That is done, na? Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, the whole exercise is
Has
done.
been done.
Uh, yeah, ma'am, it's fully done. The exercise 2 will come in the next exam,
That
which
is
will be
next.
in August.
That are significant figures. Okay.
Yeah,
So
so ma'am,
now
what should we do now?
we'll revise again
Ma'am, can
the
we
whole.
do the worksheet which you had given as a homework? Because
Ah,
I did not understand it.
which one? Tell me. Which?
No, the second worksheet, ma'am. I sent the first one and the answer key to you. You got it, right?
That I got it. That we have discussed. This worksheet you are asking. And this, what is the
Ma'am,
problem?
like, 1 second, ma'am. I'm opening it. Yeah, I've opened it. No, no, ma'am, not this worksheet. This time fully done.
Then which
No, no,
one?
this I'm not done actually, ma'am. This I'm not done.
So चलो ये करेंगे अभी. Tell me the first answer.
1 second, I'll have to share my screen, ma'am, for this.
Why?
Ma'am, because I'll be ma'am told to do it on online
अच्छा
and
ठीक है.
send.
Direct
So
you're
I
doing.
am using my PDF editor to do it.
Okay, ठीक है. We'll do so. So I'm closing this.
Yeah, ma'am, you can close. I'll
Oh.
just start it now. Share screen. Select the PDF file. Ma'am, can you see my screen? Hello, ma'am, you left. Ma'am, you had left.
ना. Actually गलती से प्रिया को नंबर लग गया. So I wanted to disconnect that line and I disconnected this.
Did she join? Janam. Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes.
The
But do
font.
you know all the laws of indices?
Yes, ma'am, all the 6.
पक्का.
Yes, ma'am. We did a exercise. We did two. I did 2 exercises on it.
Great.
One of the course book and one of that 3 exercises chapter which ma'am sent.
Hmm.
9.
So
And
you should have submitted these answers earlier.
ma'am, actually I thought I would do it here, but then I forgot to tell you.
Chalo, now
Like I
can you zoom
submitted
a
all
bit?
the other one.
Can you zoom a bit?
No, ma'am. 1 second. Yeah, can you see now?
Okay.
Yes. So the first will be 5 raised to the power of 6.
Yes.
I'll have to write it in very short form. Because first, ma'am, I'm not able to get the 5 raised to the power of 6 sign.
Raised to का वो sign है ना? It is like what to say? Half
Ma'am, I know
triangle.
that how it
Half.
is.
हाँ.
1 second, ma'am. I'll open the downloaded one also once.
Here signs and symbols you don't have.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what I don't have, I think so. In Access Prep, where we do the exams, we have it there, but we don't have it here. So I think so. I'll try to copy paste it if I can, if it supports that. Uh, because we'll need it everywhere. Yeah. No, ma'am, it's not. I'm not able to copy paste. So I'll have to write raised to the power of and then copy paste it everywhere. Text box. 18. Now I can continue this everywhere. Yes, ma'am. So the first answer is 5 raised to the power of 6. Hello, ma'am. Can you see this?
Yes.
Then the next is 1 second. Short form. Yeah, shortcut.
But why are you writing everything 5 raised to the power of 6? You
And because I
cannot.
don't have that sign,
But
and I am not
Priya,
able to add it.
but Priya
And she
was able
must
to do.
in on digitally.
Yeah.
And what using? Did she tell you?
No, bacha. Uh,
Ma'am, she must have the Adobe ka premium one thing. I think
that I
because
don't.
we might be able to add it there.
You don't have a sign and symbol ka option?
Yeah, that's what I don't have a sign and symbol thing, but I can write two there with the pen, the small two. But
2
I don't
means
like, ma'am, the two raised to the sign.
raised to the sign is not 2. It is like a triangle, half triangle. You can draw a line also, na? See, Jainam.
Yes, ma'am.
There. Can
I
you
can
see
add
my screen?
shapes. I can add shapes.
You have shapes. See, you have to
Yeah, I
write
can
just
add
like this.
shapes.
You can, so you have to write like this, na? Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am, you're not sharing. Ma'am, should I just write it in my notebook and do it?
Ah,
Yeah, ma'am, can you just show what do
wait.
you mean? And
So,
then if it's not possible, then I'll do it in my
as
screen.
3 raised to the power of 2, you can write like this. So you
Ma'am, was
cannot
she
draw.
writing like this?
Yeah, this is the power raised to power, no?
How do I get that thing
You
on the
cannot draw with.
keyboard?
You cannot draw.
Ma'am, I can draw, but drawing so much. Like everywhere
Only
I'll. Ma'am, I think so. I'll do it in my
one.
notebook. It's the best way.
The best way. Okay.
Math worksheet 3.
Ah, you stop sharing also.
Yeah, ma'am. Because you were sharing. I'll
So
share
now
my
I have to
screen
open.
again.
Or else I will open. You tell me.
Ma'am, I can open. There's nothing like mine is open already, but
ठीक है तो open
see,
करो then
ma'am.
we'll discuss the answer and write fast.
Yeah,
हाँ
ma'am. That is
do
faster also.
5 raised to 6. Write in your notebook then.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm started also.
Okay.
One C 10 raised to the power of 15.
Hmm.
Then one D is 2 raised to the power of 15.
Hmm.
One E 6. Oh, 1 second. 1 second. So this is
3 only. 6
yeah.
minus
A raised
3.
to the
3.
power of 3.
Hmm. Because 6 plus minus 3 means it is 6 minus 3 only.
Then one F
F raised to the power of 21
uh,
plus
oh
30.
34. And 1 second. Yeah. F 34. Then one.
Now it is division, so you have to subtract.
That is
6 raised to the power of
no,
5.
no, 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 no. 1 second, ma'am. 1 second. I'll have to ask my mom to do some, not make noise.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. So 1G is equal to 5. 6 raised to the power of 5. And 1H is equal to 12 raised to the power of 13.
Hmm. Because it is division means you have to subtract.
1I is equal to 4 raised to the power of 2.
Hmm. Because it is written leave your answer in index form. Therefore, you have to write 4 is to 2. Otherwise, if it is value, find the value, then you have to write 4 4s are 16. Okay? Remember that,
Yes, ma'am.
Jaina. Huh.
Yes, ma'am. I'll remember.
Huh. Huh. 20 raised to 8.
1k, ma'am.
to
Like
5.
20 raised to 3, the answer of that is. The next one is m raised to 7.
Then
1 second, I'm writing one L. That is n raised to the power of 2.
yes.
Then
Then there are two powers. So 2
1
powers means you
second,
have to
ma'am.
split
Oh,
that.
no, what? How can I write 1j again?
Sorry.
After n comes, oh, I forgot. Yeah.
What happened?
Ma'am, I wrote after n, I again wrote j, so I was a bit confused. 1. Oh, no, I've written. I'm getting confused with the letters as values.
Why?
I thought that
Why?
I thought that the m is as 1m. But then I got to know that
Where?
is the answer of 1k. So I was writing L, right only?
M is to
1m.
the power of 7, not M.
No, not that,
Why
ma'am.
did
Leave, ma'am.
you
Leave,
why
It was
did
a.
you type 1M?
Ma'am,
Just write
It was a numbering confusion.
Acha.
I thought that the 1k I did not see. I thought that that is 1m question that we are already done with. But then I got to know that it is the 1k answer.
Yeah.
So this will be 4 raised to the power of 10.
Hmm.
1m, then 1n. This
It
one
is
will
the
be 8
power
raised to the
of
power of. Ma'am, 1 second.
12.
Can I tell? How 12?
Ah,
Yeah, 12,
fast.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Then 1 over 12 p raised to the power of 48.
Hmm. Correct.
I'm writing.
Then 30 raised to the power of
30 raised to the power of 50. Huh?
13 raised to the power of.
Ma'am, please can you wait a second?
You're
Yeah.
writing the question also. Are you
Ma'am,
writing the
once
question
can you wait 1
also?
second? I'll just finish the numbering part while I've like the question numbering we do.
So for what you should do, write A to R continuously. One A, B, C, D, write vertically, or you
Ma'am,
can
I
write two,
forgot
three
how to write
answers.
R in
My
cursive.
God. Mama.
Just joking, ma'am. Remember it. I keep forgetting something like this. Yeah. So 77. 13 raised to the power of 77.
Hmm.
And the last one is 54.
Chalo. Next sum now. Go to
Then
second.
it is the last part. No, second last part. Okay. Ma'am, should I finish the numbering part first only?
Ah. Okay.
1 second.
I'm also taking a pic of this so that if you want, I can explain you. Chalo. You want me to do on the
Okay.
phone?
No, ma'am. We have already done sums like this in the class.
Ah.
No,
Correct.
here in the tuition also.
Tuition also you done. So I
Yeah.
think
So
I
2A.
should take this as a test.
Yeah, ma'am.
Can
Yeah,
I?
ma'am. I did not get any
Yeah.
tests this week for there.
Ah. So this is your test. Chalo.
Eh?
Yeah. So give me
Ma'am,
the
so if we
answers.
go by board master, we'll have to do 6 minus 2 first, right?
Which 6 minus 2?
In 2B,
Where? Why?
3 raised to the power of 6
Here
minus.
when you do multiplication or you will get same only. Either you do multiplication first or division first. You get the same answer. You can try. 6. What is 6
Yeah, it's
plus
the same, ma'am.
11? It will come same
3
only.
raised to the power of 9.
So when you do division also 6 minus 4 is 6 minus 2 is 4 and 5 plus 4 is 9. So however you do your answer is 3 raised to the power of 9. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is the next answer? Acha, you are giving me answers afterwards? Are you going to tell me one by one?
Ma'am, it will be
Tell
7
one
plus
by
2 into 6, right? In 2D. So it will be 9 into 6, that is 54. D raised to the power of 54 is the answer, right?
D multiply by 2, so D 9, correct.
Okay. Then 840. Y raised to the power of 40.
डिवाइड बाय फर्स्ट करोगे तो 12 minus 4 is 8 and 8 5 are 40.
Ma'am, if we do in the next part, will the answer still be same if we do from right left hand side if we start, or if we do board mass?
For multiplication division,
Yeah, ma'am, in 1F, like everything is in the bracket there.
हाँ whenever you can go left to right or right to left, no problem. But जैसे दिया है वैसे ही करो ना.
22.
See.
Yeah, I'm doing that way only, ma'am. 22 का square they want.
But in
अरे
index
यार.
form में ही लिखना है ना. What I have to do?
No, it will be 22 into 2, that is 44. K raised to the power of 44 is the answer, right?
हाँ, maybe 21 plus 9 is plus 8 is 29. So 29 minus 7 is 22. हाँ, and 22 का double is 44. So K raised to 44. Correct?
Okay, ma'am. This will be 8. R raised to the power of 8.
And then you have to first divide भी करना है ना. 23 minus
Yeah,
8
ma'am,
करो.
that's the answer. R raised to the power of 8 is the division answer.
हाँ, because 3 and 5 will be 15. So 23 minus 15 is 8. Now what?
The next
What
one
about
is S raised to the power of 3.
How? Can you
Ma'am, is
explain
it?
me? You're right, but how?
Yeah, so it will be first S raised to the power of 4 in 0 into S raised to the power of 4, that is equal to S raised to the power of 4 only.
Huh.
And
then 4
then
raised
it
to the
will be
power of
into
2
2,
is
that is
8.
S raised to the power of 8. Then we have to subtract 5 from it because it is division. So say S
Correct.
raised to the power of 3 is the answer.
Correct. Correct.
Ma'am,
Very
now we'll
good.
do brackets first, right? Because board mass.
Yes. Yes.
So it will be 4 divided by 2, that is, okay, 2 into 3, that is 8. Oh, 2 into 3,
Huh?
2
Huh?
into 6. I thought we were
Huh.
finding cube. I get confused.
Be careful.
6, then 24. So the answer is P raised to the power of 24.
24. Yes.
Then the next is 11. It's 3. W raised to the power of 3.
So 11 minus 8. Huh. And then
G raised to the power of 16.
why 16?
Ma'am, is it wrong?
Huh.
Oh yeah, sorry. Wrong. 14.
How you got 14?
Ma'am, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 into 3. Oh, 7 into 3 is 21. So 7.
So 21 minus 14 is how much?
7.
That's what I'm telling you. You will do silly mistake in
Shit.
class also because of your overconfidence and you're in a high. Fast. Understand the question. Do calmly. You have such good brains. Then why you want wrong answers? Don't avoid silly mistake. Avoid hypertension. Why you in a
If
high? तो ट्रेन छूट रही है आपकी या फ्लाइट छूट रही है? हाँ जैनम?
no, ma'am, nothing.
नहीं ना? तो फिर?
Ma'am, J
I'm
raised
not
to the power of 3 is the last.
So it is 12 upon 11. No, 12 and 7. So 12 and 7 is what?
No.
12
What am I
and
doing? Ah.
12 upon
5,
7. So 12 upon
ma'am.
7 is
J raised to the
5.
power of 5 is the right answer.
No, and then वापस 3 से करना है ना?
Yeah, then it is 15.
हाँ.
I am telling of that part.
हाँ. But final answer is J raised to the
Yeah, J raised
power
to the
of
power of
15.
15 is the final.
हाँ.
Now 3A3. Okay, last or what?
Now without using a, can you simplify this expression? Find the missing part.
1 second, I'm writing the numbering. Yeah, ma'am, done writing. Now this. So 9 days. This will be, ma'am, 9. This will be first converted to into 2, 3, 4. Ma'am, the answer is 3 raised to the power of 10.
How?
Because 3 2s are 6. 3 2. Sorry. What am I? How did it? 3 square actually. So 3 square is 9. And that is by getting it to the power of 2. So it will be 2 plus 2, 4, and then it will be plus 6 because of 3 raised to the power of 6 is there.
So, but 9 raised to the power of 2, how much you got?
Ma'am,
3
we have
raised to
to
the power
convert
of?
it to 3's power, and that
Ah,
will get it 3 raised
what
to
is
the
3
power of
upon?
4.
Ah,
3
so
raised
6
to the
and
power
4
of
is
4
10.
plus 3 raised to the power of 6 is 3 raised to the power of 10.
10. Ah.
Then the next answer will be
10,000. You have to convert 10,000.
10,000 divided by 100.
Why divided by 100?
10 square.
Ah, but you don't know what is that, na? So you have to make the base as 10,000 को 10
And
का
what do
base
we
बनाओ.
don't
You
know
have to
what
write.
is what?
So 10,000 is what? 10 raised to how much? There are how many
3.
zeros?
10 raised to 3.
Then
4.
plus.
Ma'am,
So 10
actually
raised to
it
4.
is
There are 2 zeros here.
4. 4. So it will be 10 raised to the power of 2 is left. Like 2 raised
Yes,
to the power of 2 is the
yes,
answer.
yes. So 10,000 we have to write in the index form, which is 10 raised to the power of 4.
And then the next one is 5 raised to the power of 7.
Why?
Because 5
Why?
if we convert 25 raised to the power of 2 to 5's power, then it is 5 raised to the power of 4 in total, if we see.
Hmm. Hmm.
And that
So
plus
4
3.
plus 3 is 7.
5 raised to the power of 7. Now it is 4. What? 4 in raised to the power of 3 is 64. So it will be plus 3 to it. That is 4 raised to the power of 5 minus 4 raised to the power. 4 raised to the power of 2 is the answer, ma'am. Is it right?
How?
4 raised to the power of 2.
64 square is how much?
Ma'am, why 64 square do we have to find? It's cube. Like
Square, it is
when we
square, na?
multiply 4 by 4 by 4, the answer is 64.
हाँ, but then 64 का square चाहिए. So
That is
4096
a
हुआ.
square. Ma'am, 64. So that is why I added 3 plus 2 as. So the answer will be 4, 4 raised to the power of 5 minus 4 raised to the power of 3. That is 4 raised to the power of 2.
But 64 square will be 4 raised to the power of 6, not 5.
What?
हाँ.
And how?
Calculate करो. करो calculate.
60. Ma'am, yeah, 4 square. 4's cube is this thingy. 64.
So,
And then the 3 plus this 2.
what is the question, Jaina?
64 square.
64
64 raised to the
square.
power of 2 raised to power 2 divided
हाँ.
by 4 raised to 3. So the answer is 4 raised to 2.
No. See.
Then
64, what is the question? 64 divided by, okay. So, it is 64 divided by, tell the question. Power of
64 raised to 2 divided by 4 raised to 3.
4 raised to 3
Yes, ma'am.
is equal to 4 raised to what? Okay. 3
4 raised to
is
2.
4 raised to how much? So what is 64 raised to 2 if you want to make this as 4?
64 into 64. Sorry, 64 into 4.
Why 64 into 4?
Yeah, sorry, 64 square.
Ah, so what is 64 square? It is 4096.
Yeah, 4096 is 64 square.
Ha. So if you want to make base 4, because your answer you want in 4 ka base, na? So you have to convert this in 4 ka base. So how you will get 4096? 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by
Ma'am, can
4,
you
how
see
many
my
times?
screen?
Yes. Wait. Ha. I can see now.
Once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and 5 times. Ma'am, I was right.
और ये जो 4 बचा है उसका क्या करोगे? 5 टाइम कैसे
Move
हुआ?
raised to the power of 1.
अरे? Why are you
Ma'am,
doing
what?
this divide? Very bad, very bad.
Ma'am, what?
What you did? आपने क्या किया? 204096 and you're showing me division by 4, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So how you're getting 5 times? Last का 4 को कौन divide करेगा? Do it again. What is? हाँ, तो फिर ये how many times हो गया? 6 हो गया ना? हाँ, तो कब से 5 you're telling?
And 3, ma'am.
So this is 4 raised to 6 and then divide by 4 raised to 3. So your answer is 4 raised to 3. This is 6 and not 5. So be careful. Calculator use करके भी wrong कर रहे हो. हाँ? Understood? So you should
Yes,
know how to, or else if you don't want to do that, अगर ऐसे करो फिर. So when you do, you'll count this. So there are 6, not 5. In calculator पे if you are doing, then you have to go till last number and you have to count that also, na? Chalo, what is the next question?
Ma'am, we'll have the calculator for this exam.
So but then calculator also you are doing mistake. Instead of counting 6, you are counting 5.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
what is the use of calculator? You should know ना how many times. Last का 4 आप count नहीं कर रहे हो.
Ma'am, then the next one will be 12 raised to the power of 3. But it should be 2.
Why? What is
Because 12
144?
into 2, 12 into 12 is 144. 12 square.
So convert 144 into 12 raised to 2. So 2
Ma'am, that's
plus
what
5
I
is
got.
7.
I got that way, but
7
then I
answer.
thought this will also be wrong if I use the same way.
Why? If you are using the same way, use करो.
No, ma'am,
144
I
divide.
used it already. I got the answer also the same.
So 12 raised to 2 आएगा ना? How 3 आएगा आपको?
Ma'am, see the next answer, ma'am. I'll just tell you the answer I got. Then can you tell is it wrong or right?
What is the E answer?
3
Did you
raised to
tell
the
me?
11 for F. Ma'am, can you tell 3? Is it right?
3 raised to 11. Wait.
Yes.
4 to the 8 and 8 plus 3 is that is correct.
Yeah, ma'am. That's the way I was using for this E1 also.
तो फिर E
Well,
के लिए आपको 12 raised to 2 आना चाहिए ना? 12 raised to 2
no, I'm
multiply by
telling the final answer is 12 raised to 7.
हाँ.
So 4 raised to 5 divided by 2. So it will be. So, ma'am, we'll add one more power to 4, right? So it should become 4 raised to the power of 6.
Why
Sorry,
you
2
add
raised to
1?
the power of 6, right?
Why 6?
Then 7.
ऐसा थोड़ी ना है. What is 4 raised to the power of 5? वो बताओ. पहले तो 4 raised to the power of 5 करो.
I'll use the calc.
4 raised to the power of 5 है ना?
Yes, ma'am. See,
So what is that?
at this 1024.
So
Then
102 now you have to make as 2 this. So how you will get 1024? 2 into 2 into 2 how much? How many times? I think it is 10 times.
9.
I'm getting 10.
Ma'am, I got 9.
102. How?
See, ma'am.
Tell me. Karo.
Okay, yeah, it's 10.
That's why you're not calculating properly. You have some issue
Ma'am,
in
I
that.
always do it like I don't divide 2 by 2. I do it one less only always. I don't know why.
See what
So
you're
the
doing?
ma'am answer is 2 raised to the power of 10.
So 2 raised to power of 10 and 2. 2 means what? 2 raised to the power of 1. So what will be your final answer? 2 raised to the power of 9. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Because divide by 2 means it is 2 raised to the power of 1. So don't write answer as 2 raised to the power of 10 only. It is
Ma'am, I wrote
10 minus
9.
1 is 9.
Then the next one is uh,
11 raised
11 raised to the power of
to 5.
9. Ma'am, I got 11 raised to the power of 9. Is it wrong?
How much you got for 121 into 121? It is 146641.
So it should be 11 raised to the power of... Ma'am, so it should be 11 raised to the power of 14.
4. 11
Eh?
raised to the power of 4.
How 4?
So how?
No, no,
Jaina,
I'm not telling that, ma'am.
आंसर बोल रहे हो.
Yeah.
So 5 plus 4 is
I got
9.
11 raised to the power of 9 as my final answer.
Ah, then 9 is correct.
And then the last one. Oh my god. Why? 2 raised to the power of 4
Why?
plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 2 raised to the power of 11 divided by 3. 2 raised to the power of 8. Ma'am, is it right? 2 raised to the power of 8.
It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 raised to the power of 10 and 4 was 14. 14 minus 3. 11 आना चाहिए.
How
How much
11?
you got?
1 second, I'll just check again how much I got.
हाँ.
Uh,
Just stop sharing. Share again.
Ma'am, the final answer is 2 raised to the power of 8, right?
I am getting 11. Just question दिखाओ वापस.
16 raised... Okay, 1 second, I'm not sharing.
No, you close. Here, stop it. वापस share करो.
Can you see?
It's loading. हाँ. 16 raised to the power of 3 and 2 raised to the power of 4. So 16 raised to the power of 3 is how much?
16 raised to the power of 3 is...
16 into 16 into 16, which is 1024.
Yeah, 1024. Okay.
So
What?
now 1024 को 2 का power में लाओ. Make base 2.
Ma'am, isn't that too less for like 16's cube?
Why?
Ma'am, the 16 into 16 is 4096. Not
16
1024.
Acha, 16 it is cube.
Yeah, ma'am. You, ma'am, also told that this 16 into
Cube
16
है.
into 16.
हाँ, okay. So it is 4096. So
Yeah,
आपको
4096.
4096 लाना है. Okay.
Okay, that is why they have given us the access to the calculator for these ones. Now I understood.
So it is how many times 2 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 raised to the power of 12. So 2 raised to the power of 12. So 12 plus 4 is 16.
16, 16
16
minus.
3.
So the answer is 13.
13. 2 raised to
2
the
raised to
power
the
of
power
13.
of 13. I'll practice this more, ma'am.
You have to. You
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
convert for 16 raised to 3, and whatever answer you are getting, you have to make as base. So you have to divide by 2, 2, 2. So you will, how many times you are getting, that you have to count properly. So you will get 2 raised to the power of 16. Means total will be 16. Then 16 minus 3 is 13. So 2 raised to the power of 13 you will get answer. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
But practice more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any more questions?
No, ma'am.
This is last.
I'll just send it. No, ma'am. There's no more questions.
Okay. So now what I will do, I will just summarize all your laws of indices. Can you see my whiteboard?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I've written all the laws.
But then you tell me. I am writing, you tell me. Can you see the whiteboard?
Ma'am, I've not written their names. I've written when do we use it and how do we use it.
So I am also writing this only. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me, if it is a raised to the power of 3.
Ma'am, so it will be a raised to the power of 5. We have to add the powers.
So add.
Then the next one will be of division, where we'll have to subtract. If it is division, then we'll have to subtract. That is minus 3. A raised to the power of 3. Subtract. Then the next one we have, like an example I have written is 5 raised to the power of 3 divided by 5 raised to the power of 7 is equal to 5 raised to the power of minus 4.
Okay, so minus wala you have. Okay.
Yeah,
so
and this is the fourth law, ma'am. We wrote the third, your third one as our fourth law.
अच्छा,
We have to
ठीक है,
multiply the inside power and outside power.
outside power, हाँ. So ठीक है, so a raised to the power of 2 divided by a raised to the power of 7. Here what you will do?
Here, ma'am, we'll do then, like, we'll get the subtract the powers and the answer will be negative a raised to the power of -5.
हाँ. So you are writing like this only, a raised to the power of -5?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Your teacher
We
has
have
not
to write
told
like
me.
this only, ma'am. Our ma'am told to make us write like this.
Okay, but actually it is 1 a raised to 5.
Ma'am, we don't
Because,
write in the
uh,
fraction form.
no?
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am, not fraction
Because a
form.
raised to -5 negative power नहीं होता है कभी भी. Always it is positive power. Okay, a raised to
Okay, ma'am.
3, the whole raised to 2. That is a raised to 6.
Okay, ma'am, I got that. Then, ma'am, there are two more actually, but they are the
Hmm.
simple ones, that raised to power of 1 is equal to that number only. And the next one is, if the power is 0, the answer will be 1.
Answer is 1.
Yes, ma'am. These are the 6 laws ma'am made us
Ha.
write.
Ha. And a raised to the power of 1 means it is a only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, if 7 raised to 1, it will be 7 only. If 60 raised to 1, the answer is 60. But if it is 7 raised to 0, the answer will be 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Understood.
but so if you want, you can take a screenshot of this.
No, ma'am, I don't need it. I wrote this like these only.
ठीक ठीक है. But if it is suppose 7 plus 5 the whole square, so what will be the answer?
So the answer will be 144 or 12 raised to the power of 2.
So if it is index form, you will write like this, and if you want to find the value, it will be 144. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. If it is 7 plus, if it is instead of plus, if it is minus, or sorry, if it is multiplication, then it will be 35 raised to the power of 2, so 35 square you have to write. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is, but if it is number, you can write like this. But if it is a plus b the whole square, then how you will write? And a multiply
AB
by b.
square.
No, in this, what you have to write? Same only, because you don't know the value of a plus b. Normally what you do? You add and write 12, na? So here you don't know the variable ka value. So you write like this only. But here you can write ab the whole square, or you can write the power a power 2 ko, and this power is also for b. So a square b square. Okay, understood? What is the difference between this plus and minus, plus and multiplication? If it is plus, you have to add the inside ka thing, that is 12 raised to 2. Here also you can multiply and raise to 2. But if it is not given in numbers and if it is variable, so
Ma'am,
this will
ma'am,
remain same. But here you can write
ma'am,
ab the whole square
ma'am.
or a square
Can
b
you hear
square.
me?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am.
Bolo. Jainam.
Yes, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am. Nothing.
You were showing me the time.
Ma'am,
But
the continuation thing.
but this is the last. You understood this, the
Yeah, ma'am, I
difference?
understood.
So when it is plus and plus, so first add and you can write the answer. Multiplication also you can plus, but when it is a and b, you should be careful. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So now everything clear,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
there is no square root for negative numbers. Okay, you cannot find square root for negative numbers. No square root. Okay, so if it is like this, there is no square root. But if a square root of 16, what you will write? Jana? What you will write,
Square
Janam?
root
Tell
of
me.
16 is 4.
But you will write plus and minus. Don't forget. If it is
And plus
plus
and
and minus
minus. And
also.
minus, ma'am, both.
If it is cube root of 64.
Ma'am, then it will be 4 only, not plus or minus, only plus 4.
And cube root of minus 64, then it is minus 4. But square root of 64, you have to write plus and minus 8. So understand the difference, okay? Chalo. You wind up? I
Okay.
think you have tomorrow also class, no? I forgot you have tomorrow also. Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow we'll continue with this. Tomorrow we'll play Kahoot.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Chalo, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear.